Friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys lock screen sound how to enable in a Samsung phone. Friends, you want to enable your lock screen sound in your Samsung phone. So then how can you enable it? In this video guys I will show you. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon. Okay, first of all let me tell you what is lock screen sound. So friends, you can see when we lock our screen, okay, when we unlock on screen, so once you can see this little sound, but guys, this sound is not working. Friends, you want to enable this sound in your Samsung phone, your lock screen sound you can enable. And friends, now let's see how to enable lock screen sound. First of all guys, we will on our phone setting, then guys scroll it. Friends, you can see your sound and vibration setting. Friends, tap here. Friends, again scroll it. Friends, you can see your sound system setting. Guys, tap here. Friends, you can see your screen lock and unlock sound. Guys, tap here, the right side icon. Friends, tap here. Then friends, you can see guys your lock screen sound will enable, and you can use when you will lock and you will unlock, you can see, you can listen your lock screen sound. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video and we will meet on next video. Bye friend. Before going, please go and like the video.